Fox 45 News learning new details about a juvenile offender continuing to commit crimes for years. The new charging documents from Baltimore Police come as state law enforcement leaders have spoken out against DJS. Good evening and thanks for staying with us. I'm Mackenzie Frost in for Mary tonight. Fox 45's Alexa Ashwell details the questions surrounding the man whose criminal history dates back a decade to when he was a minor and the frustrations of repeat offenders.
Court records show this defendant is yet another example of a juvenile offender who went on to commit more crime as an adult, leaving questions about consequence and accountability. A juvenile offender turned adult criminal. Baltimore Police just announced the arrest of Antwan Eldridge for the attempted murder of a 66-year-old man during an armed carjacking in this neighborhood in North Baltimore back in October.
Vehicle is possible occupied by 3 individuals armed with firearms.
In newly obtained court documents, officials detailed the victim was shot in the head during the carjacking, and investigators later recovered Eldridge's prints from the driver's side of the stolen vehicle. Eldridge, now 26, was already in the system. This was his mugshot released back in 2016, when at just 17 years old, Baltimore Police charged him and 2 other juveniles with the murder of Robert Ponzi.
It's unreal that we're doing this for his birthday.
Investigators said the teens fatally stabbed the 29-year-old waiter during a robbery as he was biking home from work. Eldridge was later acquitted of Ponzi's murder, but sentenced to 5 years in prison, followed by 5 years probation for other charges related to the crime. Records show Eldridge and at least one of his juvenile co-defendants went on to reoffend.
And there's no consequences. They didn't learn anything. There's no real rehabilitation.
Just this week, when announcing the arrest of a violent teen in an unrelated case, the sheriff in Carroll County slammed DJS and lawmakers for policies he says are failing to protect the public.
Darius Bond didn't just show up at the age of 18 years. I know he didn't because I know his track record. He didn't just show up at the age of 18 years old and 6 months and start running around with handguns, being involved in organized crime, stealing cars, killing people. The state's just got to get better at what they're doing.
As for Eldridge, records show he went on to violate his probation stemming from Ponzi's murder, and in 2021 was caught in a car stolen in an armed robbery. Now, in 2025, he's accused in the attempted murder of a man shot while simply getting something out of his car. As for Eldridge, he remains in custody and is due in court next month. In Baltimore, Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.